and gentlemen, it's about 1:30 a.m. This is what I gotta deal with. You don't hear none of my dogs barking. This werewolf next door. Mid. Damn billy goats to intimidate my dogs. Put a fence up with them damn billy goats to intimidate my dogs. And it's his dog over there pooping in the hall. Hear that? I call him the werewolf. He's got that damn howl. This is what I gotta listen to. This man calls code officer, animal control, sheriff's department if I fart, if I light a match, air quality control. This man has got North Carolina Attorney General, which I'm glad her ass is gone. And this is what I got to deal with. War of the damn jackal. This is what I got to deal with. Wow, got a rescue puppy over there barking. He's a playboy. That's a little outlaw. Listen to that shit. Listen to that. I don't hate the dog. I don't even hate the owner. Oh, God, Jesus, I love the owner. What are you doing, Mr. Gaga? Oh, my dog right there. Mr. Gaga. It's dark, nobody can see nothing. All audio, no video. Alright, this is Quincy Stevens on War of the Jackal. And Quincy One-on-One Adam on YouTube. Always get her done. Woo!